Today, let's get right into it. I have been a very busy bee the last few weeks, turning over the entire house, both inside and outside, in preparation for the summer. There is really something about seasonal transitions that really inspires me to rethink our space, and I do this every year. I got some very luxurious new bedding, which is such a treat. I love cool, crisp sheets for the summer. We're gonna deep clean the carpets. We're making some DIY linen spray for our new sheets. I also love to do an inventory and closet clear out every season just to get rid of anything I don't absolutely love in my closet and keep it as minimal as possible. My goal today was to focus on the master bedroom, so that's what we're gonna do. I wanna give a huge thanks to the sponsor of this video, Brooklinen, which is a luxury sheets company that creates amazing high quality home goods to really elevate your home. Honestly, as a girl who really loves bedtime, there's nothing quite like investing in good quality sheets that make your bed feel like a hotel. During the seasonal transition of winter or spring to summer, I like to move from fleece sheets to cotton or linen sheets. Instead of buying individual items, you can save 25% by purchasing a hardcore bundle. I chose the classic Percale sheets. All the bundles include one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, one duvet cover, and 4 pillowcases. Brooklinen always releases new seasonal colors. I really wanted the Pebble color, but there are lots of colors and patterns to choose from. With how excited I get about luxury sheets, it felt like Christmas morning when I got my package. I could not wait to open it up, see and feel how buttery and smooth it felt, and I was just really looking forward to taking them out, washing them, and getting them on the bed straight away. I'm gonna go ahead and wash these. One thing I wanna note is, unlike many bedding brands, they do not use artificial wrinkle-free chemicals in the sheets. So 100% cotton, you're gonna feel a little bit of a natural wrinkle, but with every wash and with continued use, your sheets will wrinkle less and less and just get softer and softer. Now I'm gonna pull off the quilt. I actually washed this just a day before, so I'm gonna pull this off the bed. I'm gonna put it away in the linen closet. I'm also gonna kind of clean and organize the linen closet, which is upstairs in our bathroom. We have 3 bathrooms in our house. We have a master, we have 1 downstairs, and 1 upstairs, which is where my boys' bedrooms are. So that's also where the linen closet is. That is where I keep all of our quilts, extra blankets, extra sheets, and I try to keep this all organized as I switch things over seasonally. I also keep beach towels, the heated water bottles, and the heated blankets as well, the electrical heated blankets for the winter. But yeah, everything needs to be pulled off, and we're gonna simplify for the summer. Another thing I just love about these sheets is how cool and crisp they are. It gets so freaking hot here in Tennessee. The summers can get pretty brutal and the summer nights can be hot as well. So when we crawled into bed the night I filmed this video, my husband audibly was like, "Oh my gosh, these feel amazing." I was like, "We gotta take a shower before we get into bed so we're like nice and clean and cool." It just felt so good. Brooklinen is offering my viewers a special discount of 15% off, so if you're interested, you can check that out using the link in my description box. I'm gonna put the duvet together and finish fixing up the bed, and then I'm gonna move on to cleaning the carpets. So I had already vacuumed my carpet the day before, but today we're gonna actually be moving everything out, like the mirror and my plant stand and the cat tree, or what do you call that? Cat stand that my cat loves. I'm gonna do an extra vacuum, and I'm gonna really vacuum like several times over because I'm going to steam clean the carpets today. Now, whenever I steam clean the carpets, the amount of dog and cat hair that comes up kind of freaks me out. I'm not a big fan of carpets, to be honest, but The best way that I deal with having carpets is investing in a Bissell pet steam cleaner. If you have carpets and pets, I'm going to share with you my tips on how I try to keep the carpets as clean as possible. Step 1 is to just vacuum over the area multiple times. We have this cordless one we got from Walmart. It's pretty good. We like it a lot. And then we're going to use the Bissell steam cleaner. Instead of the solution that comes with the machine, I like to use this. It's just an easy DIY. It's 2 cups of hot water, 1 cup of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of dish soap. Mix that together. With the Bissell steam cleaner, there is an area for putting your warm water and the Bissell solution that usually comes with it or that you can buy separate. So instead of that, I'm just going to put in the solution that I made. This is enough for the master bedroom. If you fill it all the way up, it should be able to do most of your house, if not all of it, depending on the size of your house. And the key with this is to hold the button down to release the solution for 1 pass, and then to let the machine pull that back up. There are 2 containers. There's one for the clean solution, and there's one that pulls up the solution through the carpet with the dirty water that you have to empty when you're done. I'm going to do a video on how I clean my cleaning supplies. That's going to be a whole nother video, how I keep the Bissell steam cleaner clean, how I clean my vacuum, all of that. So we like to do several passes until the water's pretty clear, which can take some time, but it really does wonders, and it will pull up a lot of dog and cat hair, so there'll be little hairballs that you have to pull off the floor, but it does an amazing job, and we like to do this seasonally in all of the rooms that have carpets. One of our window shades broke, so I had it on my list of goals to replace. Byron picked this up from Lowe's. These are the ones that we have throughout our house, so we have them in all of our windows. They're easy to pull down, but they also pull down from the top, so you can have light and privacy, and I needed to replace that one in our bedroom. I'm going to make a really easy linen spray. I'm going to move over to my apothecary cabinet where I have my herbs and my essential oils. I'm going to use the herbal vinegar that I made in my previous video. I will link it here in case you missed that video with some DIY cleaning supplies. Adding a few drops of lavender essential oil to make a quick and easy linen spray. Now that our master bedroom is clean and fresh and ready for the summer, I'm going to pull out some pieces that I want to put on my Poshmark store. I clear out my closet seasonally, so every few months if I'm not wearing something consistently, it could be for the current season or the next season, I just post it on Poshmark, and if I get new pieces, I usually try to get rid of something just to keep my closet minimal. I put everything back in its spot, I organized my desk and vanity area, and now the master bedroom is complete. That was my goal for the day, and now I can move on to the next household goal, which I will share very soon on my channel. Thank you so much to Brooklinen for sponsoring this video. I will have a 15% off code in my description box if you're interested in checking it out. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like these types of videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do everything from cozy homemaking, self-care, DIYs, recipes. So if you like those types of videos, welcome to my channel. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.